Hi, I'm Superintendent Aaron Jarrett. I know the start of the school year has been a challenge. On top of the regular start of the year adjustments or kinks to work out, we dealt with an unprecedented district-wide systems outage when we were hit by ransomware more than a month ago. I know our students are your top priority, and as your superintendent, I know that your priority has never wavered in the several weeks since the outage began. When we first learned about the situation, my leadership team and I had a lot of questions. Could teaching and learning continue? Should we even have school? Now my leadership team and I continue to be impressed, but not surprised, by your dedication to your profession and your dedication to your students. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding as we continue to work to rebuild our systems. You are all living the value of character by putting your students first, and I can't thank you enough for your commitment to your students and to your work.